Big breaking news coming in. A high-level Home Ministry meeting was chaired by Home Secretary on yesterday's violence that took place in Delhi. Source-based information coming in that the Home Ministry is now mulling a crackdown over Nishan Sahib flag hoisting at the Red Fort. The CCTV cameras, from what we're picking up, are now being analysed to identify the perpetrators. The IB and security intelligence agencies, the IB and security agencies are also taking part in the probe. Ashutosh is breaking the story first on India Today, getting us up to speed with the very latest. Ashutosh, this is a big story that is breaking at the moment from your source-based information. What else are you picking up in terms of what the high-level Home Ministry meeting that was chaired by Home Secretary has finally discussed as far as yesterday's Delhi violence is concerned, Ashutosh?
So, the information that is coming, that how the Union Home Secretary is chairing a meeting, a high-level meeting with the, secretaries of the concerned department, including the police personnel. The IB is involved in that, and clearly what has happened at the Delhi's Red Fort and what has happened inside the national capital, that clearly has now concerned the entire center government, and clearly what has, no one can see those images or even anticipate this could be even possible. And clearly, since the incident has unfolded, now it is time to take action. For what we know, how the Delhi police investigation is going on, they are working on the evidences, CCTV footage being collected, but this high-level meeting is being chaired how to decide a course of action, the legal concern, and that's exactly, there would be legal consultations as well in the section that is being imposed. So clearly this meeting is a strategy how to deal with the investigations further, and subsequently, because the farmers are still sitting on these borders, and as they have even issued a warning that they will be marching to the parliament on February 1st. So clearly that is also going to be the agenda, to have a dialogue with them, and no such untoward incident happen further, and the best the government would of course try to convince these farmers to go back. And clearly all these strategies are being discussed in these meetings, and we'll wait for the outcome that will come out after this high level meeting at the MHA.
We'll come back to you, Ashutosh, when that more updates come in. But at the moment, Ashutosh, continue to stay with us. There is Ashutosh Mishra breaking the story first on India Today, getting us up to speed with all that transpired in the high-level meeting that took place in Delhi on the violence that took place.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.